and welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're diving into a recipe that's very close to our hearts. A whole boneless stuffed chicken roll, also known as ballotine. Now, it might sound fancy or look a bit intimidating, but trust us, it's a lot simpler than it seems. Let's talk ingredients. First up, we need a whole chicken, which we'll be deboning ourselves. Now for the filling, we're using a colorful mix of red and green peppers, carrots, and buckboard bacon. To bring it all together, we'll whip up a quick sauce using vegetable oil, soy sauce, mustard, smoked paprika, black pepper, salt, and oregano. And we're also adding mozzarella cheese. We forgot to film that part, but don't worry, you'll see it later in the process. All right, enough talking. Let's roll up our sleeves and get cooking. Keep in mind, everything here is totally customizable. Don't like peppers? Swap them out. Want to add spinach, mushrooms, or even some spicy sausage? Go for it. That's the beauty of this dish. You can get creative and make it your own. If you've never deboned a chicken before, don't worry, we've got you covered. Just head over to our channel and check out our step-by-step guide. Of course, if you'd rather skip that step, your local butcher can debone it for you. Now that we've deboned our chicken, it's time to flatten it out. You can use a tenderizing hammer, a meat flattener, or even the bottom of a pan, whatever works for you. Just remember to place a layer of cling film over the chicken before pounding it. Now for the filling, we start by spreading a generous layer of our sauce right onto the meat. Next, we layer in the buckboard bacon. Followed by our sliced peppers and carrots. And now, here comes the mozzarella cheese. We'll finish it off with a little more sauce on top. Make sure to save some for later. We'll use it to baste the roll before baking. Now comes the fun and slightly tricky part, rolling. Think of it like wrapping up a giant, meaty burrito. Take your time and roll it tightly to keep all those delicious layers inside. Once it's rolled up, you've got a couple of options for securing it. You can use butcher's twine, or if you want to get a little fancy, use a meat netting and pipe like we did. Now it's ready for the oven. Drizzle the remaining sauce over the top for that golden, crispy skin. Place your chicken roll on a baking tray. And add a splash of water to the tray to keep everything moist during roasting. Pop it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 2 hours. And just like that, our chicken roll is done. It smells incredible. The skin is beautifully golden, and we can't wait to cut into it. Let's slice it up and enjoy this absolute masterpiece. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next recipe. And if you've got any dish you'd love to see us make, drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy cooking!